Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your delicious egg and plantain frittatas two different ways, which is the oven method and the stove method. So let's get started with this recipe. In here I have all my ingredients. Do check out the description box so you can get the full list of them. So I will start by peeling and cutting my plantain into this size, and I'm going to be adding some salt, and I'm going to fry it in my hot oil to get my dough. So guys, when my ripe plantain is done cooking, when it's golden brown, I'm going to be taking it off the hot oil. I will go ahead and chop my tomato, and I will put it inside the sieve so it will sieve off all the excess water in it. And I'll go ahead and chop all the veggies that I'm going to be using. So that's all my veggies ready. I will start by putting 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in my fire, and I will start by stir frying my onion. I'll add in some garlic powder, my chopped tomatoes, so I will allow the tomatoes to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes so it will dry up all the excess water in it. So right now I'm just adding all my spices and herbs, which all the list of them is going to be on the description box. And I'm going to go ahead and add all my colorful and healthy veggies, which are my green bell pepper, yellow and red bell pepper, and my Scotch bonnet peppers. So I'm adding in my chicken stock powder, and I'm going to be stir frying this for just 3 minutes as I need my veggies to be fresh. So right now I'm going to be adding in my mashed fish. I have my fried fish, which I just mashed with my fork. I'm going to be adding it into my stir fried veggies, and I'm going to stir it up for just 2 minutes more, and I will set it aside to cool down. So while my stir fried veggies are cooling down, I'm going to crack my egg and whisk it. So when I'm done whisking the egg, I'm going to mix the egg with my stir fried veggies. I'm going to give it a nice stir. And that's it, ready to start prepping our egg and dodo frittata, or egg and plantain frittata. Yeah, so I will wet my pan with some vegetable oil, and I will put some of the mixture and start lining up my fried plantain, which is my dodo. So I'm just going to put in some fresh veggies to garnish it, to give it that nice and beautiful inviting color. And I'm also going to be garnishing it with some fresh spring onion. So this is the oven method. I'm just going to put the other part of my mixed sauce in my oven pan, and I will also line it up with some fried plantain. And while I'm doing this, I'm already preheating my oven in 190 degrees for 10 minutes. So I'm going to transfer it in the oven so it will bake for about 15 minutes. And I will also cover my pot and put it on the fire on the lowest heat and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes or so, all until you notice it is well cooked when you chook your toothpick or your skewer in the pot. So guys, that's it, it's ready, looking delicious and inviting. I hope you guys do try this recipe, and if you do, please don't forget to drop me a comment letting me know how it came out. And also, if you do love this recipe, please don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button so you will never miss any of my videos, and to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye bye.